Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be diving into how to use presets in Alight Motion to supercharge your content creation. If you have ever worked or wondered how you can improve your projects quickly and efficiently, presets might just be the answer. So, what exactly are presets? Simply put, they are templates. They can be used for future projects to save you time. But did you know that Alight Motion offers a variety of preset types? Let's break them down. You've got the effect presets, which change the look of your video. Then there are transition presets that helps you make smooth scene transitions. If you're looking to add some dynamic movement, there are shake presets, and for text animations, text presets are your best friend. You also have keyframe presets for precise animations and velocity presets to adjust speed and motion. Now let's talk or walk through. You can use these presets in Alight Motion. First, launch the app on your device. Once you are in, go to the media you want to edit. This could be a photo or a video. Next, head over to the settings menu and find the effects section. Here you will find a variety of presets to choose from. Pick the one the best suits for your project. After you have selected your preset, simply drag it to your video or image. You can then tweak the settings to make it fit your style. Once you have made all the adjustments, preview your changes, and when you're happy with the results, save in the XML format. This makes it easy to share your preset with anyone you want. And that is it. You have now got a quick, efficiently way to use presets and level up your content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.